Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Glam Look Connect Hair Studio. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome, and make sure you subscribe before you leave. If you are returning, welcome back. So today we are doing invisible locks, and the braids that you are using is fluffy kinky braids. For this style you can use Mali braid, you can use guest girl braid, any braid that will give you a rough the texture of fluffy kinky, guys. Yes, so the braids come in different colors. As you can see in this video, we are using color 1900. It's maroon mixed with a bit of black. So let's get straight into it. You start with parting the hair according to the size that you want. So in this case, we are doing the medium to large size, which will give us not so much volume by the end of this video. If you want them to be thick and you want like a lot of braids on your head, you might want to go for the medium to small size, so that you have like many braids on your head by the time that you're done. One thing I love about this style is that they are very light. They are very simple. Simple and light. They look so good, and also doing them is not as complicated. I don't know if that is correct. You'll tell me by the end of this video how you feel about the style. Is it something you feel you can do? Generally, I feel it's a simple style. If you want to make it more interesting, you can maybe try and put some curls on it so that it gives you the boho knotless kind of look. Naelewa. For this one, we did still on parting, we did 2 rows at the back and 3 at the front. You will realize they are not as bulky, and also si kidogo sana. I'd also recommend you go with the brick pattern, so that because they are not so many, they will not look kidogo kwa kichwa. Naelewa? Yes, so we normally prefer just twisting and then wrap later. I feel like it's easier and saves on time, so that if you have someone who can help you do the finishing, you save on so much time. So let's get into the parting process. So what you want to do first is just part normally, ni kama unafanya normal braids, kama knotless braids, like the size and everything, and the size has to be consistent so that you get a clean finish. So you just want to part, and then part right in the middle, gel it up, use a generous amount of gel so that the braid is slicked down well. So you've split the braid into 2. You just want to twist both sides clockwise or anti-clockwise, depending on which side is easier for you. So in this case, we are doing the anti-clockwise twisting. We are twisting the hair anti-clockwise, and then you just want to use a clip or something to clip the hair so that it doesn't unravel as you do the other side. I hope that makes sense, guys. So if you've decided to twist anti-clockwise, twist both sides anti-clockwise. Yes, after you've done that, you just want to do away with the clip, and then now you twist clockwise to add the braid. Are we together? Let me repeat that part. After you've split the hair right in the middle, you twist one side of the hair anti-clockwise, the other side of the hair anti-clockwise, and then when you're just about to add the braid, now you twist clockwise. As you can see on the video, it's that simple, it's that easy. You don't even have to complicate it. So you just want to continue twisting, braid it down to a length that your client wants. You can do it like bob length, you can do it long, but I feel like they look better when they're bob length, so that they look like locks generally. Again, as I told you guys, this style is cute, simple, and it comes in different colors. You can choose the color of your choice. And at this point, we're just showing you how clean this work is. Can you see? At this point, we're almost done and we're doing the middle or the crown area. Most clients would prefer middle parts, and you have to make sure you get the middle part right. Take as much time as you can to make sure that middle part imeweza, because if not, usually what you'll notice is after you're done, kichwa ya client itaka ni kama iko side haiko poa, like iko side moja. So one thing I'd advise or maybe tell you to do is to make sure that you take your time to get the middle part right. So guys, let me just repeat this for maybe someone who did not get it earlier. You split the hair into two, you twist it anti-clockwise, clip that one side away to prevent it from unraveling, and then twist the other side anti-clockwise. And you have to choose a side. If you're twisting clockwise, make sure you twist both sides clockwise. If you're twisting anti-clockwise, make sure you twist both sides anti-clockwise. And then when now you're just about to add the braid, you do away with the clip, and now instead of twisting, if you had twisted anti-clockwise, now you twist the hair clockwise and then add the braid. This will make sure that the partings remain and they do not like fade when you are twisting. Yes, because by the end of the day, the parting and the twisting is what really makes this a different style from the fluffy kinkies and the other type of twists. I don't know, I feel like you can use other braids, but we are going for a more natural look, and usually fluffy kinky is natural. You can use Mali braid, can also give you the same results. Guys, this style is a must try. Again, if you're here and you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Really appreciate you being here and supporting our work. You can do that by subscribing, liking this video, or leaving a comment. We are on Instagram at Glamlook Connects Hair Studio. We are on TikTok, Glamlook Connects Hair Studio. Yes, guys, we're here to bring you the best of results. Thank you for watching. This is the final look. Tell us what you think about it. I feel like it came out so nicely. The hair is not kidogo, si mingi, but they look awesome. Also, just to mention, we are in Nairobi, Kenya. We are located in the CBD, Moi Avenue, Biashara Plaza on 6th floor. You can call the number on our bio on Instagram. Bye.